And more European vehicles in for service. Today one we have is a 2018 Porsche Macan, and for a Motul engine oil service and inspection. So it'll be getting the works, checking tire pressures, all the basics. We also have a 2012 Passat in for check engine light diagnostics and evac, AC evac and recharge. And also a pretty cool 2017 Audi A3 Quattro with some go fast goodies on it. In for an oil change, Motul 8100 XS, and also a high pressure fuel pump replacement. That guy right there. And also a new battery. And one of the latest we have that just got pulled in is a 2010 BMW 528 Xi, in for, once again, a Motul engine oil change and inspection. So we're working through some of these issues we see with it, get a quote written up for this customer, and have a happy customer.